Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. What to do when your battery light is on. A complete inspection guide. Seeing the battery light on your dashboard can be alarming. It often signals that something's wrong with your vehicle's battery or charging system. Ignoring it can lead to bigger issues, like being stranded or costly repairs. In this video, we'll explore the importance of battery health and what that warning light means for you. We'll discuss how your battery works, why it might fail, and the steps you should take to diagnose and address the problem. By the end, you'll understand not just the what, but also the how and why of your vehicle's battery health. Let's make sure you're prepared, so your ride stays smooth and worry-free. What does the battery light indicate? When the battery light on your dashboard lights up, it's more than just a pretty glow. This warning light serves as a signal that something may be wrong with your vehicle's electrical system. It usually looks like a small battery or the word "bat," and ignoring it can lead to bigger problems down the road. Let's explore what this light really means and what you should do about it. Role of the battery. The battery is like the heart of your vehicle's electrical system. It has several important functions. Starting the engine. The battery provides the initial jolt of energy needed to start your vehicle. Without a working battery, you might find yourself stuck and unable to start your car. Powering electrical systems. Once the engine is running, the battery continues to supply power to electrical systems such as lights, radio, and air conditioning. If the battery isn't functioning well, these systems can fail, making your drive less enjoyable. Storing energy. The battery stores energy generated by the alternator. This stored energy is crucial for starting up the car and powering accessories when the engine is off. When the battery isn't performing as it should, both starting the engine and powering essential systems can be affected. That's why it's vital to pay attention when that little light comes on. Common causes for the battery light to illuminate. Several reasons could cause your battery light to shine bright on your dashboard. Here are some common culprits to be aware of. Dead battery. Maybe the most obvious reason. A dead battery can cause the light to come on. This might happen if your battery is old or if you left the lights on overnight. Faulty alternator. The alternator charges the battery while the engine is running. If it fails, the battery won't get charged, leading to that warning light. An alternator issue can quickly mean your vehicle will stop running. Bad battery cables. Corroded or loose battery cables can prevent electricity from flowing properly. This can trigger the battery light and make starting your vehicle a hassle. Electrical problems. Sometimes, the issue lies deeper in your car's electrical system. Short circuits or damaged wiring can send the battery light blinking to get your attention. Battery needs replacement. If your battery is older than 3 to 5 years, it might just be time for a new one. Older batteries can lose their ability to hold a charge, lighting up the battery indicator. Malfunctioning dashboard light. Occasionally, the battery light may illuminate due to a fault within the warning system itself. This could be caused by a blown fuse or faulty wiring. By understanding these common causes, you can address issues with your battery system promptly. Ignoring the battery light could lead to a breakdown, causing inconvenience and potential safety hazards. If the light comes on, it's best to check things out sooner rather than later. Immediate actions to take when the battery light is on. Noticing the battery light on your dashboard can be alarming. It's a clear signal that something could be wrong with your vehicle's electrical system. Here are the actions you should take immediately to handle the situation safely and responsibly. Safe driving practices. When the battery light comes on while driving, your first instinct might be panic. However, staying calm and focused is key. Here are some safe driving practices to follow. Reduce speed. Slowing down helps you maintain control of the vehicle while you assess the situation. Stay aware of surroundings. Keep an eye on other drivers and be prepared to react if they suddenly change lanes or stop. Avoid sudden movements. Make smooth turns and braking maneuvers to avoid losing control. Seek assistance. If possible, call for roadside assistance. Don't be afraid to pull over to a safe spot if you feel uncomfortable or notice any strange noises or smells. If you're on a busy road, signal well in advance when changing lanes or merging off the road. Remember, safety comes first. Don't hesitate to ask for help from a friend or roadside service. When to pull over and inspect. There are certain scenarios when pulling over becomes essential. Ignoring these signs can lead to severe damage or accidents. Here are some crucial instances to watch for. Constant battery light. If the battery light stays on without flickering, it's a sign the vehicle needs immediate attention. Unusual sounds. Any grinding or whirring noises may signal problems with the alternator or other components. Dimming lights. If your headlights or dashboard lights appear dim or fluctuate, that could indicate a battery issue. Electrical components malfunctioning. If your radio, air conditioning, or power windows begin to fail, it's time to take action. Smell of burning. A strong burning smell could indicate overheating parts, and it's a major alert to pull over. Whenever you notice these signs, find a safe place to pull over. Turn off your engine and inspect for visible issues under the hood. If you're not comfortable checking it yourself, waiting for a professional is a wise choice. Ignoring warning lights can lead to more extensive repairs down the road, so trust your instincts and take action. Diagnosing battery light issues. When the battery light illuminates on your dashboard, it's a signal that your car needs attention. Identifying the exact cause of this warning can save you time and money. Let's walk through 3 key areas to check that can help you diagnose battery light issues effectively. Checking battery condition. Start by inspecting the battery itself. You don't need to be a mechanic to do this. A simple visual check can reveal a lot. Here are a few things to look for. Corrosion. Look for a white or blue powdery substance around the battery terminals. This corrosion can prevent the battery from charging properly. If you see it, clean the terminals with a mixture of baking soda and water, using an old toothbrush. Loose connections. Check the battery cables. They should be tightly connected to the battery terminals. If they are loose, carefully tighten them. Make sure to turn off the car before doing this to avoid any shocks. Physical damage. Inspect the battery for any cracks or bulging sides. If you notice any damage, it's a strong indication that the battery needs to be replaced. Testing the alternator. The alternator plays a crucial role in keeping your battery charged. A malfunctioning alternator can lead to a dead battery and trigger the warning light. Here's how you can check if your alternator is working. Start the vehicle. Turn on your car and let it run for a few minutes. Part 1. We've covered the basics of the battery light and what it signifies. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll walk you through immediate actions to take when the light comes on, how to diagnose the issue, and when to seek professional help. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.